Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started. Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the best drawing apps, so if you don't want to miss some really useful apps, so make sure to watch the full video till the end, and all the apps download links are mentioned in the description box for your convenience. Welcome to the world of Krita, where your creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, Krita is designed to bring your imagination to life. Imagine a canvas that responds to your every stroke, with brushes that feel just like traditional media, watercolors, oils, and everything in between. Krita's powerful brush engine offers endless customization, letting you create textures and effects that are uniquely yours. But that's not all. Krita is packed with features that make the drawing process smoother and more intuitive. From layers and masks to vector tools and animations, you'll find everything you need to express your ideas. Need to tweak a color? No problem. With its advanced color picker and palette options, adjusting hues is a breeze. One of the best? Krita is open source and completely free. This means you can download it today and start creating without any barriers. Plus, the vibrant community is always there to share tips, tutorials, and support, making it easy to learn and grow. And for those who love to create on the go, Krita is available on multiple platforms. So whether you're at home or in a coffee shop, your art is just a click away. Ready to unleash your creativity? Dive into Krita and start your artistic journey. Now we are heading towards the second app of the list. Welcome to our deep dive into IBIS Paint X, the ultimate that fits right in your pocket. Whether you're sketching on the bus or painting at home, this app is designed for artists of all skill levels. First off, let's talk about the brushes. IBIS Paint X boasts over 300 different brushes, from pencils and inks to special effects, giving you the tools you need to create stunning art. And the best part? You can customize these brushes to suit your style perfectly. Now, if you love layers, you're in for a treat. IBIS Paint X supports multiple layers, allowing you to separate your work into sections. This means you can edit without worrying about ruining your entire piece. Plus, with blending modes and layer effects, the possibilities are endless. One of the standout features of IBIS Paint X is its user-friendly interface. The app is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible to beginners. You can quickly find tools, colors, and settings, allowing you to focus on what really matters, your art. Let's not forget the community aspect. IBIS Paint X has a built-in social platform where you can share your artwork, follow other artists, and even participate in challenges. It's a fantastic way to get inspired and connect with fellow creatives. And for those who love to learn, the app includes detailed wealth of resources. Whether you're looking to master shading or learn new techniques, you'll find everything you need to improve your skills. Best of all, IBIS Paint X is free to download, with optional in-app purchases that enhance your experience without breaking the bank. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity? Download IBIS Paint X today and start turning your ideas into amazing art. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the third app of the list. Welcome to our exploration of ArtFlow, the powerful drawing app that's perfect for artists on the go. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, ArtFlow offers everything you need to unleash your creativity right from your tablet. Let's start with its stunning interface. ArtFlow is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to focus on your artwork without distractions. The clean layout puts all your essential tools at your fingertips, making it easy to navigate as you create. One of the standout features of ArtFlow is its impressive brush engine. With over 70 customizable brushes, you can simulate everything from fine ink to vibrant watercolors. You can even create your own brushes to unique style. Plus, with features like dynamic brush scaling and pressure sensitivity, every stroke feels natural and fluid. Layers are another powerful tool in ArtFlow. You can use multiple layers to add depth and complexity to your artwork. With options for blending modes, opacity adjustments, and layer masks, you'll have complete control over your creative process. And let's not overlook the powerful color options. ArtFlow offers a full color wheel and a customizable palette, making it easy to find the perfect colors for your artwork. Want to save your favorite combinations? Just tap and store them for quick later. What really sets ArtFlow apart is its performance. It's optimized for smooth, lag-free drawing, even with large canvases. This means you can focus on your art without any interruptions, whether you're sketching or working on a detailed piece. For those who want to take their skills to the next level, ArtFlow includes built-in tutorials and a vibrant community to connect with fellow artists. Share your work, get feedback, and find inspiration. Best of all, ArtFlow offers a free version of features, and you can upgrade for even more powerful tools at a low cost. So, are you ready to bring your ideas to life? Download ArtFlow today and start creating beautiful artwork wherever you are. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the fourth app of the list. Welcome to our review of AstroPad Studio, the innovative app that turns your iPad into a powerful drawing tablet for your Mac. Whether you're a professional artist or a creative enthusiast, AstroPad Studio is designed to elevate your workflow and enhance your artistic experience. Imagine having the full power of your desktop software right at your fingertips. With AstroPad, you can use all your favorite Mac applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, and more directly from your iPad. It's like bringing your desktop studio on the go. Setting up is a breeze. Simply connect your iPad to your Mac via Wi-Fi or USB, and you're ready to start drawing. The app simply mirrors your desktop, giving you instant access to all the tools and features you love. The result? A smooth, responsive drawing experience that feels incredibly natural. One of the standout features of AstroPad Studio is its customizable shortcuts. You can create personalized gestures and buttons that match your workflow, making it easy to switch tools or perform actions with just a tap. This means less time fumbling with menus and more time creating. And let's talk about precision. AstroPad Studio supports pressure sensitivity and tilt functionality, ensuring that your strokes are as accurate as possible. Whether you're inking, shading, or painting, you'll feel the difference in your control. Another great aspect is the ability to work with different resolutions. You can adjust the display settings to match your preferences, optimizing performance without sacrificing quality. Plus, with features like color calibration, your artwork will look stunning, no matter where you're working. AstroPad Studio is perfect for artists who want the flexibility of a tablet without losing access to their desktop tools. Whether you're sketching in a coffee shop or painting studio, this app empowers you to create wherever inspiration strikes. Ready to transform your iPad into a professional drawing tablet? Download AstroPad Studio today and unlock a whole new world of creativity. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the fifth app of the list. Welcome to our overview of Comic Draw by Plask, the ultimate app for comic creators looking to bring their stories to life. Seasoned comic artist or just starting your journey, Comic Draw offers all the tools you need to create stunning comics right from your iPad. Let's dive into what makes Comic Draw stand out. First up, the user-friendly interface. Designed with artists in mind, the app provides an intuitive workspace that allows you to focus on your storytelling without getting bogged down by complicated menus. Everything you need is just a tap away. One of the highlights of Comic Draw is its comprehensive drawing tools. With a variety of customizable brushes, pens, and pencils, you can easily find the perfect style for your artwork. Plus, the app supports layers, so you can manage your elements with precision and ease. Want to adjust the background? No problem, just work on a separate layer. But Comic Draw isn't just about drawing, it's also a powerful storytelling platform. The app features built-in templates and layouts, making it easy to structure your comic pages. You can add speech bubbles, captions, and sound effects with a few taps, ensuring your narrative flows seamlessly. Let's not forget about the sketchbook feature. You can brainstorm and sketch your ideas directly in the app, allowing you to visualize your concepts before committing to final artwork. This is a game changer for any comic artist looking to refine their ideas. And for those who want to share their work, Comic Draw makes it easy to export your comics in various formats. Whether you're sharing on social media or printing your work, the export options ensure your art looks great everywhere. What's more, Comic Draw is perfect for collaboration. If you're working with a team, you can easily share your projects and receive feedback, making it a fantastic tool for group creative efforts. Ready to start your comic making adventure? Download Comic Draw by Plask today and unleash your creativity. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Make sure to leave a like and smash that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video.